In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file LLC taxes with TurboTax. If your LLC sends you a Schedule K-1 because it's taxed as a partnership or an S corporation, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to enter it in TurboTax Online. Before we start, have your K-1 form handy so you can quickly reference the boxes and codes. Make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account and your return is open on the main dashboard. From the top navigation, move your cursor to the income section. Don't click yet, just hover. This reveals the menus you'll use to add or review different income types, including business and pass-through income. Hovering helps you jump straight to the part of TurboTax that handles your K-1 without digging through unrelated sections. Now click Wages and Income Summary. This is your central hub for everything you earned during the year: wages, interest, self-employment income, and pass-through income from an LLC. It's a good place to double check what you've already entered and what still needs attention. On the summary page, look for the Schedule K-1 section. This is where you'll report income, deductions, and credits that pass through to you from your LLC. Click Schedule K-1 to open the guided entry. TurboTax will keep your personal return and your pass-through details connected, so the numbers you enter here flow to the right lines in your tax forms automatically. Click Start to begin entering your K-1. You'll see simple questions that match what's printed on your form. Follow the prompts at your own pace. If your LLC is taxed as a partnership, you'll be entering information from a Form 1065 K-1. If it's taxed as an S corporation, you'll use a Form 1120S K-1. Just match what your document says. When TurboTax asks whether you received a Schedule K-1, select Yes. This confirms that you have a K-1 to report and tells the software to open the dedicated interview. Answering yes is important because K-1 income is treated differently from a regular W-2 or a 1099, and this ensures it's handled correctly. To proceed with K-1 entry, you'll need to be on the premium plan or higher. If you're not already on that plan, TurboTax will prompt you to upgrade. Review the pricing, then continue. Once upgraded, you'll be able to finish the K-1 interview, save your progress, and come back anytime. That's it for finding and starting your LLC K-1 in TurboTax. Continue through the on-screen questions, enter the exact figures from your form, and let TurboTax do the math. When you're done, run the final review to catch any missed entries before you file.